How to change email address in Temu app. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch a Temu application from your device and make sure that you are logged into your Temu account. Then tap on Use section on your bottom bar. In order to change your email address, you have to go for Settings. You will see a settings icon on your top right. Tap onto it. Then here, you will see the option of account security. Tap open it. You will see your email address. In order to edit or change it, tap on edit button. Also be noted, you have to enter the email address that do not have any Temu account. Then you have to check this email address and enter the code that has been sent to this email address. Once you do so, tap on continue. Just like so, this is how you can change your email address in Temu. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.